Hi, it's Paul here. Welcome to this very quick video in which we're going to have a look at a kind of different type of camera. This is a mini dash cam, which is another product made by iGOKU. Having a dash cam in your car can provide vital evidence in the event of an accident or a road traffic incident. And once it's installed, you can pretty well forget about it. Now, hopefully, you'll never need to use any of the footage from it. But if you ever do, it's there as evidence. So let's have a quick look inside the box. So here's the camera itself. And first off, it is really tiny. And if you don't want a full-size dash cam on your windscreen, well, this is absolutely ideal. Also in the box, there's the windscreen mount. Now this one is self-adhesive. Personally, I prefer a suction mount, but this one's much smaller. It will be very secure, and there's also a spare adhesive pad in case you need to reposition it or put it in a different car. Now there's the cigar lighter charger cable, which is really long, so you can thread this round and tuck it into the windscreen trim, under your dash, etc., to keep it out of sight. Now there's also a standard USB cable to connect this to your computer in order to transfer any files that you need to. The instruction book in multiple languages, which will give you all the details about all the various settings you can change. So to get it up and running, you basically just need to put in a mini SD card. It's a good idea once it's installed to set the time and date properly, and you can alter most of the settings, but it's pretty well ready to go out of the box. You can easily tweak any settings you want to later. So here you are then, in the car. Let's take it for a drive. You'll never need to wipe the SD card, as like most dash cams, it records in short clips. The default is 1 minute, but you can change this. I prefer 3-minute clips. So when there's no more space on the card, it overwrites from the oldest clip onwards. So you never have to change to another card. So there you have it. It's packed with features. It will also take still shots. It has a motion sensor and a parking mode to add to your vehicle security. And all that in this very tiny little unobtrusive camera. You can find the iGOKU Mini Dash Cam on Amazon. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you again soon.